Yes. Kawan, I will miss you. Alright. So, Taman Burung, Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur Bird Park is the world's largest open-air aviary. What that means is you have lots of birds like that, just kind of hanging out. We also then have behind me, on the ground, we've got some peacocks and guinea fowls. I don't know what they are. Just kind of hanging out. Just no big deal. This guy has a nice little sign. This guy says, "I'd love to take a photo with you, but just don't stand too close." So I'll stay away. I was just filming you guys doing this. Capture my mother's screams.
Oh my god.
Well, that was a little disappointing. I really was hoping my mom would scream. Hi, baby. And she makes fun of me so much for screaming when emus tried to peck out my hand. But anyhow, halfway through, next stop, we're gonna go feed some ferrets.
Two hands, baby. Good. Use two hands.
Oh, they're ready already.
Hey. Behave. Oh, behave.
Oh,
No fighting. Behave. Okay. Can turn around, man. Can walk around. Oh, strong, man. Come in. Hold it tight. Hold it tight, man.
You see Ian's head?
Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, coconut.
Kami tak ada warna.
Coconut water untuk kamu. There you go.
Oh, fighting. Terus.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, the boy is coming here.
And you mocked me. Now look at you.
Is it milk? What is it?
Milk powder for coloring. We make a milk powder for coloring. Different color.
There's got another bird on her head. I like your head.
To take away the cup. The cup is
Oh, there we go.
yeah. Look, you cannot.
Ah, no, that's my head. That's my head. That's my head. Not my head. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, friend. How are you there?
The shoulder, man.
You happy? You happy on my shoulder? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's eating me.
Oh, yes. Look at
His tongue is on my head. Kamu terbaik kawan di dunia, right? You're the best friend in the world.
6.5 hours later.
Yes. Kawan, I will miss you. Alright. Saya rindu kamu, okay? Saya selalu sayang kamu, right? Okay? Kamu selalu sayang saya, right? Saya hanya sayang kamu. Saya tak sayang, you know, other burung. Saya sayang kamu sahaja. Okay? I love you only. I know, I agree. Oh, bye. You want to be my new best friend too?
probably feel different.
There they are, my old foes. Notice the sign, it does say, be careful, they are aggressive in nature. I'm ready for them. Okay, fun with peacocks is over. Time to face my mortal enemy. Oh, there's another peacock right here. Then I'm going to face my mortal enemy. Not this guy. He's not my mortal enemy. Pretty sure this is the reason we came, so my mom could laugh at me. Sandy Hut's right there when I try to feed these guys. They're ready.
Feed them with no water, there's vegetables provided.
They're ready. Oh no, there's not too many vegetables provided. Oh, you guys ready? That's it? You want to get fed by me? You didn't even eat it, you jerk. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's a dinosaur. Oh yeah, everyone makes fun of me. Then no one else can do it, mother. Come on. Come on, Sandy. Yeah, then they'll eat. Let them eat the leaf part first.
Yeah, but what about the other one?
Yeah, that one's the jerk on the right. Camera person. This is it. I'm gonna conquer my fears. Feed the jerk. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And
right.
did you get the little one
I'm not
fed?
scared of you anymore.
Did. You gotta give her some more.
I'm not scared of you anymore, big guy. Right here. Yeah. I conquered them. They're my birds now.